Spot number 3. Spot number 2 was not accessible due to the levee. The only road that leads to the dam was gated off and had cattle walking around. This place is pretty cool looking, I have to admit. I'd like to be in the canoe though, because then you could just go back and forth across these rapids and fish it really good with a lure. It's going to be very hard because you're stuck on one side, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be very snaggy, like all places like this always are. Very snaggy, but regardless, it is very cool looking, I have to admit. Oh yeah. Got it, I think. Yep. Got it, Wilma. I got something. Hey, Wilma, look. I got him. It looks like a channel cat. Guys, we are on the board. That is not a bad channel cat either. Not huge, but it's eatable. It's not horrible. Guys, we are at spot number 3, and this was just one of the backup plans for when everything else failed. It is another dam on the same river, also very snaggy and a lot of rough fish. There is some spotted bass and white bass, but it's mostly gar, drum, and buffalo. As you can see from the ground, there's a grass carp. Everybody was bow fishing these apparently. That's a big old gar, I think 4.5, 5 feet long. What a shame that people just waste fish. All right, guys, instantly got a fish as soon as it hit the water. All right, like we have a drum. Not too bad of a fish. Hey, I'm happy. That was fast. All I did was basically lower this lure down in the water, guys. He was sitting right there. Now this is where I'm at, guys, and I'm on the swift side. I'd be better off on the other side. Nice little dam. I would definitely be better off on the other side of the river because it's calm right there. There we go. All right. Now, we would do better over there because it's calmer. We're on the swift side. But I'm telling you, there's 100 fish right here. Look at that gar, he's 4 foot long just sitting there. Get a white bass over there, but I doubt it. We'll eventually go over there. At least our luck's turning around. I caught 2 fish already. Just by doing that right there. And then you gotta reel it in real fast. Oh, got one. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh man, it's big. That's my 3rd one. All right, guys, drum number 3. I can see his tail. Finally wore him down. It's too bad these ain't white bass, guys. This dam is just, it seems like it's all rough fish. Drum, gar, carp, and buffalo. And that's about it. I ought to just do the jig head with a worm, maybe. Like I'm doing, but with a worm. Guys, it is drum mania. That is all I've caught all day, minus the one channel cat. It is a drum fest. I don't know why this dam is just nothing but drum, but it is, and it sucks. Too good to be true. So that, there we go. First fish like doing this. All right, guys, it's definitely picking up. Maybe this is a white bass. Drum, God. Guys, they turned the turbines on worse. We was over there and we came over here because it was dead, and they turned it on as we drove across the street. Unbelievable. I haven't even held none of the fish because none of them are worth holding. You know what I mean? Most of them have been pretty small. One was 3 pounds, maybe 4 tops. No real big ones though. This is probably, no, it ain't fighting like a drum. It may not be this time. It's not fighting like a drum. Seriously. It's a drum. 6 in a row. And it's all diseased looking and deformed from farm chemicals. Six drum in a row, guys. All only 1 pound except for one. Oh, I might have had. Hey, this is pretty damn big, whatever this is. Feels bigger anyway. What do you want to bet? Drum. Hey, I guessed it right. Oh my God. 7 in a row. The same kind, guys. My most unfavorite fish. Go ahead and get the pliers out and leave them out, if you could, for me, because I may need them for this fish. Got him. Okay, this fish is definitely feeling bigger. Now he's not. He did it first. Oh, the dreaded swallowed the hook, finally. Man, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, there's no way I can get that fish. I do not think. I can't. Yeah, if these were just white bass, we'd be having an excellent day, wouldn't we? Oh my Lord. This one's even smaller. I don't think I can get this hook though.